Hi, I'm Jeff Strauss, founder of the Leadership Bootcamp. Solving problems collaboratively as a team is a skill that shouldn't be taken for granted simply because individuals are on a team together, even if the team's mission is clear and teammates share a consciousness about how to achieve their goals. Collaborative problem solving requires specific skills like conflict management, negotiation, relationship management, and establishing and maintaining a shared understanding of the problem context, among other things. In this edition of Leader to Leader, I'll share some information about two key dimensions of individual and collaborative problems and how you can improve those dimensions of problem solving on your team with four specific collaboration and skill building techniques. The first of the two dimensions is the problem context. That is, how familiar one is likely to be with the problem. The context is comprised of the problem setting and the problem content. The problem setting could be technology-based, like troubleshooting a gadget. It could be logistical in nature, like planning a route or scheduling an event. Or it could be private or public in nature, something related directly to the problem solver's immediate circle or more broadly to their community or society at large. The problem content refers to the specific topics themselves that are covered in the problem, like whether the event you're trying to schedule is a family night out or a surprise birthday bash with 200 guests at an event venue. The second of the two dimensions is the problem situation, or the extent of the information to which a problem solver has access at any given moment while trying to solve the problem. Problem situations can be static or dynamic. Static problems are those where all information is present at the outset, and dynamic problems are those where the problem must be delved into to obtain additional information necessary to solving it. The problem situation also includes a problem definition. A well-defined problem is one where the goals, possible actions, and problem states are clearly specified. Problems that are solved collaboratively are more likely to be dynamic rather than static, and more likely to be ill-defined rather than well-defined. Team members rely on and learn from other team members during the course of problem solving, and they can neither control nor predict what other team members will do. This is what makes collaborative problem solving exciting and challenging. Here are a few exercises you can use to start improving how your team collaboratively solves problems. First, you can create a team coordination task, sometimes called a jigsaw task, like the puzzle. In this type of task, each group member is given different information or skills, and the group needs to pool each member's information or skills together in order to solve the problem. What's important about a jigsaw task is that no single member can achieve the solution on their own, and any group member who chooses not to participate or doesn't share information or skills can jeopardize the achievement of the group's goals. Or you can create a consensus building task. These are primarily group decision-making tasks where a group must agree on a decision after considering the views, opinions, and arguments of all group members. A successful solution involves all group members contributing their ideas and the careful but efficient consideration of all ideas. Some group members may dominate the conversation and not allow for all ideas to be heard, while others may not be willing to disagree with what has already been said. These are growth opportunities for the team to overcome to become better collaborators. You can also try negotiation tasks. A negotiation task is one in which you specify different goals for different team members, and negotiation is required between them to achieve a scenario that satisfies both the individual goals and the group goal. And finally, you can create a production task where the team must create a deliverable together. This is fairly commonplace and is likely one of the easier tasks to think up if you're developing scenarios for team building. Sometimes problems may start out as one type of task, and as the team is working toward completion, may transform into different types of tasks. For example, it's quite common for a task to start out as a jigsaw, and as team members work out what one another know and how they perform, it becomes consensus building or negotiation as team members work to make a final decision. I hope you found this useful. Follow me for more content like this and learn more management tips, tricks, and training at leadershipbootcamp.com.